this music. All right. Anyway, thank you for turning it back on. This right here. Do you remember when you used to go, or maybe they still use them, right? You get the paper popcorn box at the movie theater, and it's got the little scalloped edges to it. Leave it, of course, to Tara to go, hey, wait a minute, we should do that in Temp-tations. It's the cutest, also super practical. And yeah, of course, you put the popcorn in it, but there's a bazillion other things you're going to use this for. It is the set of 2, 1 quart in total, ceramic popcorn holder. Oh my gosh, so cute. Easy pay goes away at the end of the day, just like everything else. 5 easy payments of a silly $4.54.
Aren't these adorable?
I love this idea.
These are super fun. We do these nostalgic pieces where we reinvent like the TV dinner tray, and these were those popcorn holders. I love these. They're 1 quart in capacity, as Jen mentioned. You're getting a set of 2. There's the confetti, there's your green, and there's your blue in Old World. Peeking in the back is floral lace. We have your gray, we have your black, the red. Next door to the red is going to be that gorgeous cobalt. I'll grab him. That gorgeous cobalt blue in the floral lace, okay? Then we also did it in some of our seasonal. First, we have woodland. So, of course, we have that beautiful white woodland.
I just want to use that for flowers.
Of course. Okay. A little planter. Love that idea.
Gosh.
Right? Adorable. Then we have our red doodle. We have our patriotic. And we have our Pawfetti.
Wait a minute, you know how many people are going to order this and use them for planters in the kitchen, on the kitchen window?
Yes. Let's bring it to life, because this is one of those items where it's not just for popcorn.
Pawfetti, just a few hundred left.
Oh, no.
Flying.
Okay. All right. Look what we did. So, of course, are you kidding me with snack time? I love this. Look at this.
I want to put like Chinese takeout leftovers in there with
Of course, with your chopsticks. Perfect. I love that. Again, 1 quart in total capacity. Here you can have regular popcorn. You can have some of that, you know,
fancy schmancy.
Great fancy schmancy popcorn. Love it for snacks. Love it for candy. Love it for flowers. Look what we did over here. Now it becomes a centerpiece. Right.
This is what I was thinking.
And you smell how good those smell? I mean, are you kidding?
So good.
They smell so good.
Or put
then
a little
of course
soil in there, and it's a planter.
It's still that same great stoneware, Jen. So this is going to make you very excited. Oh, hey, and there's the other little caddy I didn't bring out. Look at these French fries. Hello, French fries.
And those
look
are the
at
big, fat, good
these.
ones.
Yes, I'm coming over here because look what we did. So French fries, bagels, or some type of beautiful bread in the morning. Use it as a little mini wine bucket or champagne bucket. And then look what we did here, just with a little parchment paper, your snack time, nighttime popcorn.
If you're gonna make that, you know, 99-cent bag of microwave popcorn, why not make it an experience? And you're watching a new episode of something, you're curling up on the couch.
What are you binging these days?
Toss it in there.
Yum. Oh. Right. Look at that.
That's
a little salt right on top there, and you are like,
because remember, that was directly in
I
the
just
oven.
touched that. Yeah, thanks for the reminder.
So if we need to get you some ice for that burn.
No, I'm all good.
The number of times that in front of Tara that I've gone to grab things, she's like, that was in the oven.
I'm like, that's hot. They'll stack and nest, so depending on how many you're picking up. But 2 1-quart bakers have the ruffled edges.
Last call,
and so many ways that you can use these. They're super cute.
Whoops.
Here you can see the close-up. Look at the white woodland. Again, I love all of those great details, and the fact that we used it as a little like wine bucket. So many different ways.
I, been shopping the garden event, and I bought a couple of plants because I really do believe this is going to be my year, and I'm not going to kill anything.
You're not. Green thumb. Green thumb, put it out there.
Please believe in me. Yeah, send me all the good plant vibes, right? So I was like, oh, everything's so affordable. And then I go online and then look at the prices for planters to put the plants in, and I'm like, wait a minute.
Yeah, no.
Hang on a minute. I thought I was saving money. $22.70 for a set of 2. If you only ever use it for planter, check. If you only ever use it for popcorn, love it. If you only ever use it for chip. You see where I'm going with this? $4.54. How's the popcorn?
It's delicious, actually. I was a little concerned. I wasn't quite sure how old it was going to be, but it's delicious.
You know what?
You're never
quite sure. So especially at the end of a cook day, you're never sure what's going to happen.
You're never sure.
Okay.
Exactly.
Shall we come back over here? We'll go through these color choices again. You're probably, if you're watching our shows, you're used to by now figuring out which ones are the most popular as we go through. Blue floral lace, Pawfetti, patriotic when it's available, woodland, anything. So if any of those are your choice, now's the time.
We can start with floral lace if that's easier, guys. So there's your gray. Next, remember, you're getting a set of 2. There's your black. We have your red. And we have that gorgeous cobalt blue that just wants to peek. There he is, the cobalt blue. Then in Old World, we have your confetti, we have your green, and we have your blue. And then we had fun and we did our white woodland, our red doodle. Of course, we had to have snack time in our patriotic. And then last but not least, we did the...
I'm sorry.
No,
Pawfetti sold out.
Nope, we didn't. Oh, no, we didn't.
It's true for these like it is for a lot of our items that when
Yes.
something sells out, it takes like up to a year.
Oh
or
my
more.
gosh, yes.
Ooh.
These are all individually done. They're all individually hand painted. So look at how great these are. These are just those kind of vintagey pieces that now we've recreated in stoneware.
So Alan, what's going to be the next to go? Did you say I think it was the woodland?
I was just going to say this
Okay,
one.
woodland's going to be the next to go.
Two.
Half of our inventory of total is gone on the popcorn holders. I get it.
They're super
It's exciting
fun.
to see new.
They're fun.
17 new items in the show.